Welcome back to the Cosmic Curiosities. In today's video, we will look at how to use GPT-4o to repair MidJourney's images.
Let's use this prompt to create this image in MidJourney. Copy exactly what you see here and input into MidJourney. Add your image by clicking the plus sign, then ask GPT-4o to remove all text in the image. Then ask it to write the correct title on the image. It will take a while to complete the task, so you can go ahead and get a sandwich. Now that we got the result, what do you think? I think the text is correct, but not in the same style as the original. So let's refine our prompt further. Let's try with another image from MidJourney. This image is also generated using the same prompt we used earlier in MidJourney. You can see the text doesn't look great. So let's repair this using GPT-4o. Let's refine our earlier prompt and mention specifically how the title should look like. Now that we have the repaired image, you can see the font style is much better, but not exactly close to the original style. We will explore this again soon to come up with a more refined prompt for GPT-4o.
By the way, you can also use the same prompt on Sora, Com, or GPT-4o. Remember not to include the profile codes and other MidJourney prompt options. Let's use this image now. To get the style, you need the right prompt from mjpromptguide.com. You can look for it under the Kawaii Pastel Pencil Color section.
Make sure to tell GPT-4o to write the title in the same style as the text in the original image. And here's the result. The title now looks much better. ChatGPT is able to capture the same style for font as the one in the original image.
Alright, that's all for today's video. Be sure to check out mjpromptguide.com for awesome prompts ideas. See you in the next video.